Hi folks, okay, so here's the error 25 code, as you can see right there. So I pull the brake and nothing really changes. When I do the throttle, bike doesn't go. So now I'm going to disconnect the left brake cable and we'll see what happens. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm Lou Thomas and we're going to be working on our Himiway Cruiser a little bit today. So if you watch the other videos, like I said, we had a little bit of an issue with the left brake handle here. So got a hold of Himiway, pretty good customer service. They sent me this replacement piece right here. So we're going to be replacing this brake handle. Pretty much the only tool we'll need for this is about a 5mm Allen wrench. So we have that handy. And the other part that we're going to do is also on the kickstand. The little extension fell off because I don't think I tightened it up when I got the bike. So we're going to replace that and then we'll probably adjust the brakes a little bit. So let's get started. All right, so the first part we're going to do is we're going to do the kickstand real quick. So easiest way to do this is actually to take it off, mostly because what we have to do is this little insert has to go inside this little kickstand extension basically. So you're going to have this insert inside here and the screw popping out. And as you tighten it, that's what kind of tightens up against here. So the easiest way to get to it is just to remove this. So 5mm Allen wrench and off we go. So once we got the kickstand off the bike, there's going to be a groove, which is kind of on the back side of the bike, which is just why it's easier. I'm going to insert this little piece here. Goes right inside here. And then we're going to insert the actual leg extension, like so. Kind of slide it down until we find that little screw. Pop the screw back in here. 4mm Allen key. And we're just going to tighten it up a little bit, like so. Feels pretty good. Tighten it up a little bit more. And then this is going to be reinstalled back on the bike back here. And remember, it goes on the inside of that kind of bracket, basically. So we're just going to install this back here and then put a couple of Allen screws back in it, and we should be good to go. And we'll move on to the brake assembly. So let's get this on real quick. So we got the two 5mm Allen keys back in here. And we have it adjusted kind of where we want it when I did that when I first put it on. And now we'll just see, make sure the bike stands. Okay, boom. There we go. So that one's fixed. So let's move on up and let's do the brakes. So the next item we're working on is this brake assembly. So like I said, something happened basically inside here. I think I hyperextended it basically. So Himiway sent me a whole replacement, which is what we're going to replace on here. So first one we're going to do is obviously remove the grip because we're going to be replacing this whole assembly here. So I've already got this loosened up. So we're just going to pop the grip off real quick. Let me get the end cap off. And pulling the grip off. Put that out of the way. Okay, now the next one we're going to do is this is about a 5mm Allen key under here. So we're going to loosen this up. And then I'm just going to kind of rotate it around. I'm going to show you how to get the cable out of here. So let me get a 5mm Allen wrench. And we'll loosen this up. Okay, so now that we've got our brake handle loosened up, obviously the wire's been disconnected, the red handle, wire, just pull those apart. The on are pretty tight, so pull it pretty hard. So we're going to bring this down, rotate it around. On the underneath here, you can see this barrel adjuster here, or this adjustment nut here. There's a slit in them, right? And it goes all the way through. So what you want to do is grab the actual brake cable, pull it, and then see it's going to pop out like that. So, comes out. And then this part can be a little bit tricky sometimes, but we're just going to pop this out. And there's the cable free. And now just slide out the brake assembly. So this one's the bad one. And we're going to replace it with the good one. Okay, so here's our new brake assembly. So we're going to kind of line up that groove as far as the groove going into the brake handle. And then the easiest way I find to do these is you just pull the brake all the way, pull this little kind of like a retainer basically up like so. We're going to take our brake cable, insert it. There's going to be the little groove on the top where the cable is going to go through. We're going to insert it like so. And now we're just going to stretch it over there, and you might have to give it quite a good little pull here. Get it in there. Okay, so now it's seated in there, and then what we're going to do, slide that back on again, and we're going to tighten this up again where we want the brake to be, and then we'll reconnect the actual brake cable, the wire, and we'll see if we get a good signal.